specific now because Hormuz has gone across to the big wall. He will put spotlight on top movers in the market. Hormuz, tell us more.
The broader markets are outperforming indeed. And as you mentioned, the big story of the day is sugar stocks. Of course, we'll get on to the news and the fundamentals behind it in just a bit. But take a look at the volumes already in just the first hour and 3/4 of today's trading session. And I listed these stocks out because these are the ones that are seeing double-digit gains. At least these are the ones with high volumes. Look at Shree Renuka, 6.5 crore shares traded, a 20-day average of just 7.5 lakh. Dwarikesh, Dhampur Bajaj Hindusthan has had 4.5 crore shares traded. The 20-day average is just 20 lakh shares. It will be interesting to see what kind of delivery volume emerges from these. But for now, all of these sugar names gaining at least in double digits on very, very strong volumes. The other one that has been moving over the last few days has been Samman Capital. And ever since the stock has entered the F&O segment from the start of the September series, the stock has been on an upward move, 7.5% today as well, almost 15% now in 3 trading sessions. And it has had more than 1 crore plus shares traded every single day since it began trading as an F&O stock. Even in today's session, we've already had in excess of 2 crore shares changing hands in the first couple of hours of the trading session compared to a 20-day average of 35 lakh shares. And courtesy of this up move, the stock has now broken above its 200-day moving average, which stands at around 131.90. But despite this move though, stock has been an underperformer, still down 12% for this year, and has had negative returns in 5 out of the last 6 calendar years. And the last one on the list is Avanti Feeds. And of course, this has been in the news for all the tariff-related announcements and so on. The stock has alternated between gains and losses for the last 6 sessions. But in today's session, this 10% move is coming on the back of almost close to 10 lakh shares now being traded compared to a 20-day average of around 1.5 lakh. And the stock is still trading below its 50-day moving average, which is closing in on right now. The next important level to watch on the upside is 695, which is the 50-day moving average.
All right. Some interesting names there in data as well. Thank you so much, Hormuz, for telling us all those names. But, you know, we spoke about high Nifty.